three. One, two, wait, again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Superhero Sheep has it under patrol.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What are you solving ba?
Answer this.
Which one?
To.
2 plus 3. O sige, paano siya? You count.
1 plus 3.
2 plus 3 equals...
You do like this your hands.
Ganyan. Sa hands mo na lang, you teach me. Sa'yo muna.
Ay, ikaw muna.
Wait lang, I'm using.
Sa'yo muna, ay.
Oh, eto na, eto na.
Hindi.
Wait lang. I'm... 2 hands.
Plus 2 hands.
Oh, wait lang. Ikaw, pinahirapan mo ako, ha? Oh, here's my 2 hands.
Dapat 2 tsaka 3 lang.
Oh, 2 and 3. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, what's the answer?
5.
Okay.
Eto, Jojo, ako 5 dito.
Okay.
Tapos ma-match natin.
Okay.
Superhero Sheep.
Very good.
Something must be wrong with the sun. Well, the sun isn't shining because it's missing the letter S. To the top of the barn. Behold, the power of the letter.
Yay, you're so very good, baby. Hello mo kay Lola, watch niya to. Bilis na. Hello mo si Lola.
1, 4.
Magka-count ka pa? Ka-count ka ulit? Oh, wait lang.
Eh?